Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the awesome Stronix LED headlamp with All Perspectives Induction 230 degrees illumination and 350 lumens power, weatherproof and Type C rechargeable headlamp for running, for camping, for hiking, for fishing, for what you like. With sensor control. That's a cool feature, I think. The USB LED head torch has an intelligent sensor mode that allows us to turn the hand or the headlight on or off without pressing any button. The LED headlamp for jogging has 5 light modes: COB lamp bright, COB lamp dimmed, torch bright, torch dimmed, and flashing mode. Activated by long press of the switches, of course. We have a built-in battery with 1200 mAh, lasts as for long time use. This runner's headlamp is charged via the included USB charging cable, which can be connected to any current USB socket, with only 2 hours charging time. The rechargeable runner's lamp provides up to 8 hours of constant light. And the LED head torch can reach up to 350 lumens. The flexible headband can create a 230 degrees wide illumination areas. On the road, it is completely bright while walking. The USB rechargeable LED headlamp is IPX4 waterproof. It is completely covered with silicone, which protects the light from splashing water from any angle. The 230 LED headlamp is unisex and also suitable for children out there. And the headlamp can be used for many applications such as camping, hiking, walking, for construction, mechanic works, fishing, or anywhere else we need a portable, powerful, hands-free light. And I like it really much because full viewing angle with an LED headlight, 350 lumens, COB and XPE is possible, USB charging and wave induction. We have a power button on the side and we have an induction button. We press the power button to turn on the COB headlamp 100% lighting function. We press the power button again to switch to 40% lighting function. We press the button the third time, that means again, to turn on the XPE side light 100% lighting function. Then we press again, then the side light will go down to 40%. We press again and it's off. We press and hold the button for 2 seconds at the same time to turn the blinking function. Induction button to turn it on and off by using our gauger. That's, I think, the best option on this lamp here because it's hand-free. If you push that button once, you can switch it on and off with your hand on the side as you like. That's really cool. That's hand-free LED headlamp, navigation, runner's navigation, outdoor use, no prop for it, with 350 lumens power. This is really cool. And for example, you have to work under your car, and it's not so a big area of space there, so it's better to use such a LED lamp here because the headlamp is flat, it is around your head, and it is there where you're looking for headlamp. Yeah, and there it is here. This is the Stronix LED headlamp with All Perspectives Induction and 230 degrees illumination, 350 lumens, weatherproof, and Type-C rechargeable. It's a nice headlamp, I think. For runners, for camping, for hiking, for fishing, for construction, for DIY jobs, for wear and for everything. For everything. If you wake up at night, you have to go to pee, use your headlamp, go with it, no problem. You will enter into the toilet easily. I promise. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.